Hi, this is Maker Mark. Well, after a few years I decided to have a dashcam. Well, I'm a maker. I made a dashcam by myself for the traffic to watch all the people around me, but it does not work so well. I need a professional dashcam. So I ordered one. I have one here. This is it. Well, it looks like a rear mirror, and it is. You can flip it onto your rear mirror, and well, let's see how it works. I'm really excited. So let's see if it fits on the rear mirror. Yeah, looks good. And fix it with the rubber strips. Well, nice, very good. Well, you know, I'm absolutely not an expert in cars, and what I found out is really amazing for me because under this rubber, well, there is enough space for my cable. This is amazing. Look at this. I can put that in and close that again. Just the rubber. That's it. I don't even need a tool. Isn't that fantastic? And you see nothing. Well, this dashcam is amazing. I like the quality. I like the big display. I like the cameras. I wouldn't miss it. But I'm a bit conservative about driving. I don't like it to have only electronics in my back view and my rear view. I would like to keep my analog mirror. I've made something very cool. You can use it too if you want. I made a bracket for this display, so you can use the dashcam as a display and have your ordinary analog mirror as well. Well, I show you. Yeah, I've made some brackets for this device. It's here. So I just tested it before, fixing with the rubbers. Yeah, fits perfectly. That's it. And you can fix it here on your dashboard in your car and just plug in the cables. The cables are already hidden here behind some gaps, and then you can just stick it here on, and well, that's it. And you have an additional display with your dash cam, and the camera is working as well. Fine. So this is a view from the driver's seat. I have my analog mirror, my new dash cam, and can see everything. Really nice.